Hi there, and welcome back to another episode of Mary's Makes and Mends. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very simple guitar strap without any hardware. All that you'll need for this project is some thick weight fabric and a sewing machine. This strap is adjustable and it's easy to customize it any way that you want. These were a big hit at Christmas this year. So anyway, let's get into the project. You may need to adjust the measurements a bit for yourself, but for the large main piece I cut mine 35 by 7 inches and the smaller piece was 16 by 1.5 inches, with a wider section at the top so that the bottom can pull through. I folded the main piece in half and pinned, and then I placed the smaller pieces right sides together and pinned them as well. Leaving the top and bottom open, I sewed the edge of the main piece shut. I left the top and bottom of the small piece open as well, so I would be able to turn it out the right way. Once these were sewn, I turned out the project. I then ironed these pieces flat and folded the ends inward so that the seams were hidden. I also added some cute tags to the ends. I sewed all along the edge of both pieces at about 1/4 inch. To make all of the buttonholes, I'm using a really narrow zigzag stitch. I marked out where I wanted the hole to be here. This is where one side of the strap will attach to the guitar, so make sure that it will fit snugly. To make the buttonholes, I sewed 2 parallel lines of zigzag stitches, then joined them together at the top and bottom with a small line of stitches. I placed a pin at the top here so I wouldn't cut too far, and I used my seam ripper to open the hole. I then made the hole that this strap will slide through, so I used the bottom to measure out how big I wanted the hole to be. Now onto the big part of the strap. There will be one buttonhole at the top, just like the first one that I made. Then I marked out 5 holes 1.5 inches apart that are the same size as the second hole that I made. This part took forever, so we're going to speed through it a bit. I'm sure you get the gist of it. After cutting out the holes, I went over the holes again to clean up the stitching. And now one last personalization. I decided to iron some patches on. This was a gift for my brother-in-law, and we had bought him some patches while we were visiting the UK this fall. And there you have it, a really simple guitar strap design. I just love how personalized I was able to make it. I really hope that you make your own. Let me know in the comments if you do. And if you liked this video, I'd love it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. Bye for now!